Right. Today it's raining. I've never done this. This is America, California, and it's raining because it never rained before here. Like never. It's like drenching the whole thing. Look. So cold. It's too much drenching. I need to get out. This is drenching. I can't even go outside anywhere. But where did my scooter even go? It's a flood basically. What happened to the streets? It's a flood. It's going to flood soon. Looks like it's going to flood. Yeah, it's going to flood. It's so cool. Okay, I'm just going to zoom the camera. Look, it's literally going to flood soon. Look, oh my, it is flooding. Look right there. Why is it so cold? I can't even go anywhere. Wonder possibly my scooter even went out like in the water. My car's right there, but like, no, this is too cold. Guys, let's get out. Oh no, I need a jacket for sure. I'm just going to get a cold. Okay, I'm just protected from this thing. Well, let's see. Drip. Okay, I'm just hitting the camera with rain now. Oh, so I forgot that it's actually raining. No, it's not that raining, but you know it's so good. The tree can't even protect it. Alright, I need to go back inside.